named Tommy and Kai. They didn't know that there is a monster outside their door. Oh my god! Kyle is a brave kid. She knocked her door, but the monster is giant slayer named Julio.
Why are you speaking in the other language?
Sige. I'm speaking in dollars.
Julio, ikaw eh. Ikaw si Julio, pangalan mo yung Julio.
My name is James Libico. My role is a monster. Big monster.
Are you a flapper?
No, I'm not a slapper. I'm a monster. And I'm scared. When I look at the door, I saw Kyle.
Uy, 2 kids yun?
Okay. Ulit. Ito naman ay ano to, very funny.
Ano yan?
Okay. Once upon a time, Kyle playing volleyball
Yeah, that's what he said.
outside their door. But there's something little funny. Like they run outside the garden because of the doggy. Outside the door, Kyle playing volleyball. Bakit ka tumatawa? Ulit. Playing, while her mother
Kaso pag sabi mo kanina.
is cooking, tama ba? Cooking,
Hindi.
ano?
Cooking. Sabi ko na nga,
Cooking.
hindi ka naman marunong pala sa English ng cooking.
Cooking.
Yun.
Okay na no?
Opo.
Cooking. Okay.
Kanina pa ako nag-record pa eh. Yan tuloy, nakat ka na sa 4K. Ano ka dyan kami, puro...
Okay na yan. Pakinggan mo.
Sige. Oh, pwede ko matingnan.